Hey, are you looking for a free Amazon FBA course that carries practical information, that is not watered down, that has no upsells, and there's no BS inside? Well, you've landed in the right video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Helium 10 Academy, which is such a course. And I'm going to show you exactly what's inside this course. I'm going to actually show you as well inside of the course. You're going to see how it looks from the inside. And then you'll decide if you want to test it or not, try it or not. It's actually completely free, as you can see on the screen. In the description of this video, there's going to be a link, which is an affiliate link that will lead you to this page. Well, actually, it will lead you to this page of Helium 10. And there, you can enroll in this course by clicking on Resources and then clicking on Academy here. And it's going to lead you here to this page. And now let's start the video. I'm going to show you everything. And my name is Vova. I'm an active seller on Amazon, selling there since late 2016. And on this channel, I help you sell better on Amazon. And tons of tutorials, tips, tricks, over 120 or 30 now videos. I kind of lost the count. It's so fun for me creating them for you. And so if you're something like this and you want to try and learn, then subscribe, hit the bell. Let's start. So click on the link. It's going to lead you here. And here's the Helium 10 Academy. Gain the hands-on technical skills you need to master Helium 10 software. And as I mentioned before, the course is built on Helium 10, but doesn't matter really what kind of software you use. You can still take the information and use it to yourself. So let's see what's included and what's all about. So master the software. Learn the basic hands-on technical skills required to operate our software. Students will learn how to use our tools for product research, keyword research, listen optimization, operations, analytics, I kind of lost the count here, and marketing. Every class is taught by a Helium 10 approved expert who shows you how to use the tool from the ground up. And every class includes exercises, activities, and quizzes to help you gain real knowledge, a real world knowledge and experience with our tools. At the end, take certification exam to become a certified Helium 10 software user. In this course, all the Helium 10 tools are going to be used so you can learn how to use them. But again, the thing is that it's not only about how to use the tool, it's also about the principles that are taught, which are universal actually, and will help you succeed on Amazon. And next, what do we have more? Learn from expert instructors. Learn our tools from people who know them best. The Helium 10 product managers and experts break down every tool in a series of easy-to-follow video lessons. Learn the technical functions of a tool, what tools are best equipped for the specific process of selling Amazon, and how to integrate our tools with your overall business strategy. So, as I'm going to show you in the next parts of the video, we're going to see how it looks from the inside. So, for example, if you're in the product research phase and you need more help in this, then there is going to be a module for this, or even actually a small course specifically for product research. And also the Helium 10 tools are going to be used together with the principles for product research in order for you to find those products. And go at your own pace. Control your learning by choosing what pace you want to go at, like run or walk, binge all the product research lessons at once, or take one at a time to soak in and reflect. Watch the same training over and over, skip the ones not relevant to your goals. You control the learning. And as I mentioned before, for example, you're in the product research and you're still not in the keyword research phase at all. So just go through the product research at your own pace. That's what I like about online courses as well, that, well, at least some of them, that you can go at your own pace. You know, you finished your working day, and I gotta close this one quickly. Or maybe you are just, have 2 hours of free time and you want to continue with your Amazon FBA game, then go and learn at your own pace, which is pretty cool, I think, right? Real-world learning. Every training comes with a series of hands-on technical exercises and activities that give you real-world experience with the tools. These activities are designed to get you engaged with the tools, to learn their interfaces and basic functionalities, and develop confidence in using them. So you're going to have different lessons for the tools, and as you can see, there are technical exercises. So it's not just watered down. It's actually going to teach you. I'm going to show it to you in a bit. And learn the most important processes. Students will learn how to use our tools for the most important processes for Amazon sellers, which are definitely product research, keyword research, listen optimization, operations, analytics, and marketing. You learn the specific tools for these processes and how the tools integrate with each other to execute these processes. Right? So, and I've been a user of Helium 10, I think for 3+ years. I think I'm using them since 2017, or at least beginning of 18. I need to track down, actually, maybe write an email to Helium 10 and ask when I started, but I use them for a pretty long time, and they're all integrated kind of together for different processes. And it's like all in one tool, which makes it pretty nice. So, and I'm going to show you how to use them together. By the way, if you want to learn more about Helium 10, maybe from not such big expert as Helium 10 experts, however, I also have used the tool and still use it. Down in the description, I'm going to have a playlist for you with all my tutorials for Helium 10. Over 35 videos there, only Helium 10, different parts of this. So do recommend you checking it out later on. Also, in the end of this video, I'm going to link you to this playlist as well. So let's continue. Get certified. Control your learning by choosing what pace you want to go at. We talked about this. Binge all the product research lessons all at once, or take one time to soak in and reflect. Did I just read that? Watch the same training over and over and skip the ones not relevant to your goals? Wait a minute, I think it's the same. Well, that doesn't matter, or maybe it's a bug, but anyway, you get certified, like as you get certified with other things that are connected to Helium 10, just for you, there are going to be quizzes for you to take to kind of soak in what you've learned, which is pretty cool, I think. And after we've gone through this landing page, first, again, if you want to check it out, click on the link in the description, and then you're going to have this enroll today for free. And I'm going to open it in Incognito tab because I'm already registered. It's going to take you to a sign up process, and essentially that's on Teachable platform. If you know Teachable, it's like a platform for courses. It's completely free. Just create an account, sign up, and shoot, enjoy, and you know, it's going to be fun. Now, let me show you what's inside the course. And once you, no, there it is. You click on this, once you have the account and everything, it's going to take you here. And not exactly here, you're going to have like all these 7 small courses, but you're going to have to kind of click enroll. And once you enroll, it's just going to start the course. So there are 7 like mini courses here, unless they update it in the future or something's not showing up for me. And we have one for Helium 10 software tools, just to see what it's all about. What the heck is this Helium 10? Then Helium 10 complete product research course, where there's a lot of stuff about product research, which is very popular topic for Amazon sellers, and especially that Q4 is coming soon. And if you start now, you have a pretty good chance to, even before you can launch your product, but for Q4, you definitely can launch your product and make some money if you are willing to do the work and, you know, count your numbers. But yeah, Helium 10 complete analytics course. That's for analytics that are connected to Amazon. And Amazon is a lot about different numbers. Analytics, if you're not a super analytical guy or girl, then you still need to be connected somewhat to these numbers, which I really recommend. Is there's this little course here, Helium 10 complete keyword research course. And that's for keyword research, essentially finding the best relevant money-making keywords for your products. And of course, there's Helium 10 complete listing optimization course, how to create this awesome listings for Amazon that actually turn browsers into buyers kind of thing. And there's the course for this one. Helium 10 complete marketing course, how to actually get clients, how to spread the word about your brand and your products. And then Helium 10 complete operations tool course. That's when your business is already operating, how you take care of it and maximize it and kind of let the flow kind of go. Flow. And let's get inside Helium 10 product research course and see what it's all about. So I click inside. And this is how it looks. I like how Teachable generally looks. It's really neat and it's just nice. So you're gonna have different modules here. And as you can see, for example, you have the YouTube kind of logo here. That's a video, not especially on YouTube, but that's a video. And you have different objectives here. Let's open this one, for example, product research course objectives. You see it looks like this, what you're gonna do, what are the objectives. Product research e-commerce success. And you have videos here, and you have Karine here talking about this part of the course. And you have Helium 10 Chrome extension, and you have like lesson objectives again. What do you already know? These are like little quizzes for you to understand where you're standing. So your my product research experience is, well, let's say modest, check. And then next, well, you know, then you could continue. I get ideas of new products to sell from, check all that apply, and then kind of go with this. And there's a lot of lessons here on the left, as you can see, and listing score on Chrome extension. Everything is explained here. And again, even if you're not a user of Helium 10 and you're like Jungle Scout user perhaps, or any other tool, you can still take the ideas from here and take them to your own tool. Do whatever you want with this. However, it's of course all showed on Helium 10 suite of tools, so you can get the best out of this specific set of tools. And then if you finish the lesson, you watch the video, let me show you the video quickly. That's Bradley Sutton from Helium 10, and he's gonna walk you through different parts of the course. And as you can see here, yeah, different parts of the listing evaluation score kind of thing on Helium 10. So once you complete the lesson, say you click on complete and continue. Of course, I recommend you, again, watching them in your own face. And of course, whatever's best for you, just do it. Check them out through the link in the description. Click on the link, create your free account, go learn Amazon FBA through Helium 10's free course. It's called Helium 10 Academy. And I wish you the best. Now, up here, as I mentioned before, I'm going to have the playlist of the videos for Helium 10, which are tutorials. And you can see exactly all my tutorials for Helium 10. I've been a user for a few good years. And up here, you're going to have an overview of Helium 10 set of tools with Bradley Sutton, the guy you just saw. He was a guest on my channel, and he did an overview of the tools. So hopefully it helps you. And have a great day. See you soon.